Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen. I have some mail today. Yeah, I don't know where this is from. I don't remember. This is coming from Florida. But anyway, let's open it up and see what it is. Sorry about the lighting. My light won't come on. It worked all day, and then it just gave out. So let's see what this is. My son is standing here. He wants to know too, because he gets the mail for me. And I don't know. Is it something I forgot? I don't know. But look at this little card that's on the outside. It's so cute. Oh, this is my Happy Mail swap. This is my Happy Mail swap from my partner from Crafty Crafts by Deanna, our Facebook group. Let me just make sure I don't leave anything in there. Okay, I'm going to remember to take that out. Oh, look at the purple. So pretty. What is this? This is gorgeous. She printed out this mermaid and put it on the paper. So this is Happy Mail from our Facebook group swap. And my partner, she received hers from me already. So this is Miss Bonnie. And look at this. And she made a mask. What? Wow, Bonnie. Okay, so we have some images here. That is gorgeous. She used some of the mermaid paper collection. She's got some sandpaper here. And she made that the little belly band type here, like a tuck. And then she used the paper clip. Oh, it says sticker. Gecko Gals on Etsy. Oh. So these are the images from this Etsy shop. It's Gecko Gals. And I guess this is her images, and she printed them out onto sticker sheets. Cut apart. Oh wow, Gecko Gals. Don't forget, ladies, Gecko Gals on Etsy. Check it out. Oh my goodness. And so she has a little folder right here. I believe this is another image from her. Yep, these are all stickers. This is gorgeous. Wow, I love it. I love it, Bonnie. Thank you. Look at this one right here. Oh my gosh. I don't want to rip anything. So look at that. It's also on sticker paper. Beautiful. That's what it was. That's what's on the cover. Sticker Gecko Girl or Gecko Gals. Look at that beautiful tail and her hair. Oh my goodness. You can go, buddy. You don't have to stay if you don't want. And these are just the stamp images. I believe this is also her printout, but this one's on cardstock. So that is nice. Thank you. This beautiful folder. Wow. All these images, I believe, are all from Gecko Gals. So pretty. I love every single one of them, Bonnie. Thank you. Thank you for thinking of me like that and knowing that I love mermaids. Oh my gosh, gorgeous. And then look at this mask that she made. Oh, let me read this. Oh, she's been making masks, over 150 by now. Beautiful. I sent you one. Wear it when you need it. Images I printed out from digital I purchased. Oh, on Etsy. Some are stickers, some are cut aparts. I hope you can do something creative with them. Many blessings, you and yours. God bless, Bonnie. Oh, Bonnie. That is gorgeous. So she had it tucked in here. But look at this. This is the mask that she sewed. And look, she has the pocket to put the filter in. Oh, thank you, Bonnie. Oh my goodness. Like, I've made masks for my family members. I have just not made 150 masks. So props to you, Miss Bonnie. And thank you for what you're doing, making those masks. This is beautiful, Bonnie. Oh my goodness. Look at this. This one's a sticker. Yep. And she is beautiful. Wow. Beautiful. Purples, pinks. I love it. And she took a notepad and covered it with the scrap paper. And then she added these beautiful images. Oh my God, I love this. This is beautiful. And I believe these are more images that she printed. She shared the whole thing with me. Oh my goodness. Look at this. So these are just regular cardstock prints. Or no, this one's a sticker. This one's a sticker. More seashells, also stickers. Girl, you printed all this, made stickers for me? Gecko Gal, Sea Life is the name of the collection. This one's just the regular cardstock, but that is still beautiful. You can use them. I can use them. Oh my goodness. Thank you, love. My goodness. This was a lot. This was a lot. You shared so many with me. My gosh. Oh my goodness. I appreciate you so much. This is nice. The little folder inside the big folder. And it's just covered with the paper, the cardstock. Look at that image. Beautiful. I love that. So just look at that. Take that in for a minute. Gorgeous swap, Bonnie. Thank you so much. I will definitely post this up on our group swap page with Miss Deanna. So pretty. And you purchased these images. Oh my God, that's a lot. This whole thing is a sticker, guys. I keep touching it because it's like a smooth paper. I don't know. It's very soft. But please go check out Miss Deanna here on YouTube. It's Crafty Crafts by Deanna. And then she also has a Facebook group. It's for swaps. So it's Crafty Crafts by Deanna, Swaps and Stuff. I keep saying swaps and things, but it's swaps and stuff. So go check her out, ladies, if you want to get into some swaps, so one-on-one swaps. That's the best place for me to go. That's where I go, at least. So thank you for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up. Check out my girl Deanna, and I don't believe Miss Bonnie does YouTube, but you know, we'll see you on the next one. Thank you, loves. Bye.